I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually vlogging. I am so incredibly excited to be back vlogging. I haven't vlogged in a very long time. I feel like it's been, I couldn't even tell you the last time I vlogged, so I'm so excited to be back, and hopefully you guys can tell we have upgraded the camera. It's been a long time coming. I have had my Canon G7X RIP for 9 years and she still works. She's still a great little camera, you know, but I feel like I wanted my vlogs to be crisp. I wanted them to have better quality. I now use the Sony ZV-1 and honestly, the best decision I have ever made. I am so incredibly impressed with my purchase. Definitely not a cheap camera. However, I will say it is a lot cheaper on Amazon than it is anywhere else. I got the camera and the tripod for £620, I think it was, and in the shops it's over £750. I think it was £779, so it's definitely more affordable. And I have been literally looking at reviews of this camera for about 8 to 10 months. It's been a very long time coming, so I'm so incredibly impressed with my purchase. Hopefully you guys like the quality. Let me know down below. So the reason I am vlogging today, obviously I've got you guys set up now. I feel like I don't want to hold the camera because I'll be shaking it all over the shop. But the reason I'm vlogging is because it is currently Saturday the 26th of March, and tomorrow me and Ryan are heading to Cardiff to go and see Royal Blood in the Motorpoint Arena. Don't know what I'm saying, and I'm just incredibly excited about it, and I wanted to vlog. And the reason I'm starting the vlog now is mainly because I think his friend is coming with us, and I feel like I don't know him that well. Or is it his cousin? Bad girlfriend points. I think it's his friend, and I just don't want to shove a camera in his face in the car or anything like that, and I just want to introduce it, you know, properly. So that is the reason I'm starting the vlog now. But yeah, we're heading to Cardiff tomorrow. We're going to go for a little shop. We're going to have some lunch / dinner. Obviously going to get a couple bubble teas, not going to lie, it's going to have to happen. And I just want to vlog more. I said to myself that back in 2021, I think it was, in January, that I was going to vlog more and I was going to make my channel more of a personal space. However, I have failed to do that. So I want to take you guys on my life journey with me. I want to take you guys everywhere I go and film more. I love rewatching my vlogs. I love looking back on things, and this is the sort of video that I would look back on with Ryan in years to come and say like, oh, do you remember we went to our first gig? And I get to watch it. So that is why I'm vlogging. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Without further ado, let's dive into it. You'll see me tomorrow. Let's go. Good morning. It's Sunday. It's Mother's Day. Where are we off to?
Cardiff.
To do what?
Go see Royal Blood.
We're going to go see Royal Blood today. We're very excited. It is cold. It was really hot yesterday and now it's freezing and foggy. So love that for us.
Hopefully it's sunny in Cardiff.
I don't. Is Wales ever sunny?
I don't know.
I feel like Wales is always colder than it is here.
It's probably more like unpredictable with the weather than it is here.
Yeah, exactly. But we're just going to pop home because I need to go and wish my mum a happy Mother's Day, and then we're going to go and quickly see your dad to wish him happy birthday. Yep. And then we're going to go. So I'm very excited. We're going to get bubble tea today. I have been craving a bubble tea all week. Have you?
Kind of. I know you have.
Kind of. I love bubble tea. I'm very excited.
Lovely hasn't stopped talking about it, basically.
I love bubble tea. It's just so good. But we're going to do that, get some lunch and stuff, have a mooch about, and then we're going to see Royal Blood. I think it's going to be good. So
yeah, I'm excited.
We're going to take you along with us. We hope you enjoy. And yeah, see you there.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Ryan's going to give you a review of his bubble tea.
10 out of 10. It's lovely.
What flavour did you get?
Brown sugar premium with tapioca
any
balls.
Complaints, any thoughts?
Some little chocolate stuff on the toplet, which is lovely. It's great. It's really good. But I've only got a couple of balls left, and I'm a bit depressed about that.
Oh.
I usually like it when I drink all the juice, and then you have loads at the bottom.
Yeah, but you don't have that.
No.
Out of 10?
Oh, it's a 10. It's so good.
10.
Oh no, it's from that.
What's your review of your first of your bubble tea?
Very nice.
Are you pleased?
I'm very pleased.
Good.
I was
We're just
figuring
walking
out
about.
why I wasn't getting any bubbles. It's because there was one stuck up the end of the straw.
This is really good. This was a toffee popcorn one. Give it a 10 out of 10. We're just walking outside now, and it's really pretty and sunny. And we're on a mission to find Ryan's dad a birthday present. So wish us luck, but off we go. Having a good time.
Yes, it's great.
We've had no luck buying Ryan's dad a birthday present. Just went in John Lewis and looked at all the Smeg stuff instead for like half an hour.
It was great.
It was a good time. We had a great time. Dan enjoyed his bubble tea.
Yeah, I did.
It was good.
He choked on it about 50 times.
He choked on it about 50 times. It was really good. It's very, very windy. Now we're gonna go and find next to find some jeans. So buzzing. You excited for later? Out of 10.
I am
solid
pretty
10.
pumped, yeah.
Pumped. Me too. I feel like I haven't been able to talk to you guys for a very long time. It's been very higgledy-piggledy since we've got here. We had a bubble tea. We've had a mooch around to try and find Ryan's dad a birthday present, which we managed to find, so that's fab. But now I'm just walking back to the shopping centre, so I thought I would just check in and say hello. And I'm very out of breath because I'm trying to walk quite quickly, so I'm a little bit out of breath, but I'm on the way back to the shopping centre. And yeah, we're having a really good time. I'm really excited for tonight, and I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. It is very windy, as you guys can tell. I look like a sea lion with no hair, but yeah, I'm gonna head back into the shopping centre, so I'll catch you guys up in a bit. We're back at the car. We've brought our bubble teas back and we're about to go. Are you excited?
Woo! Very excited.
Very excited. So I'm going to leave the camera in the car, so I'm going to film the rest on my phone. So I'll catch up with you later. So it is now 1 week later, and I just decided to film a little outro to this vlog because I realised I'd never actually filmed one, so I thought I would sit down and just do kind of a little mini review of my first time seeing Royal Blood, and it was absolutely incredible. I would really recommend watching them. If you like that style of music, you would really enjoy it, and kind of seeing Ryan watching his favourite band for the first time live was just so amazing, and I'm so thankful that I got to share that experience with him, so that was really amazing. And I do just want to point out that I know that some of these clips were incredibly shaky. I felt a little bit car sick. However, I did get Ryan to help me stabilise them in iMovie and Premiere Pro. I'm hoping that it's okay. I think I need to put this in active mode in regards to the stabilisation. I put it in standard, and I watched hundreds of reviews of this camera and everybody put it in standard because they said it was fine, but it was not fine. It was absolutely awful, and I genuinely thought I would have to just bin this vlog because I didn't want to upload something that I wasn't completely happy with, but I think we've managed to salvage it. I hope so anyway. So let me know down below your thoughts. I'm really sorry if I made you travel sick because That was not my intention, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know down below if you want to see more vlogs from me, and if you have the Sony ZV-1, any tips or tricks would be more than welcome down below, because I am still trying to get used to this camera. The thing is, with the Canon G7X, it is basically ready to go. You turn it on, you don't really need to edit any settings. I never touched a single setting in that camera and I loved it, whereas the Sony, I feel like because it is more a camera for vlogging and it is a little bit more complex, I feel like you've got the option to adjust it a little bit. I mean, I've put the background defocus on because obviously my background is a mess and I don't want you guys to see that. But yeah, I love this camera. I would just love some help. If any of you guys have it, please let me know, and yeah, share me your tips because I definitely need some help. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And again, if you want to see more vlogs, let me know down below. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.